Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO K10x and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So first of all, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. We need to open keyboard. So this is the panel that we need to have. Now mark settings, select languages and tap on add keyboard. Now just choose the one that you want to use. For example this one, tap on done. You can remove unnecessary languages. And at first let's stay with 2 languages. Now you can switch between them by tapping on this word icon, and here you will get the information which language it's currently on. And once you want to have one language only, just mark settings, go to languages and remove unnecessary one. And now once you go back, this icon disappears. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.